Hello everyone, this is Taros Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Cancer. What are the messages for the Cancer for their work life and their love related things? Okay, so these are the general readings, so each and every message may or may not be resonating with you, so take the messages wisely according to your situation. Okay, and leave the rest behind because it might be meant for some other people to listen that messages. Okay, take that messages. So we will start with the reading. Please let me know in the comment section if the messages are resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share to your friends so that they will get the guidance and more clarity for their career life. Okay, so please spirits guys, let us know for the Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Cancer. What are the messages for the Cancer for the September 2020? What are the messages for the Cancer? What are the messages for the Cancer? What are the messages for the Cancers? Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Cancer. You people might be having very difficult time. Even I am feeling the heaviness. Okay, Devil. Okay, Capricorn. You might be dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person. Sun, Moon, Venus rising sign of Capricorn. Sorry, Cancer. Wow, great. Bottom of the deck is the Hangman. Okay, so you, in the starting of the month, you are feeling cold, you are feeling stuck, you are focusing the spilled cup in front of you, but you are not focusing that two of cups they in the behind you. Okay, you have to turn your back, then only you will find this two of cups. You are very emotional right now, you are going through the heartbreak, you are going through the missed opportunities, so you are feeling left out in the cold. Okay, but the card there is a right below the five of cups is the wheel of fortune. So whatever the good fortune, the luck, whatever the good karma is taking place here, taking the role, the wheel is right now turning. Whatever the heartbreak you has been going through through the time period, or the some bad things are coming into your life again and again, that cycle is going to end because your good karma is going to take the charge now. Your luck will be in your favor. Okay, so this is the 5 and this is the 10, so it will be happening. And then 10 and 10, so there is a ending and new beginning. You are ending some disappointment, disappointment, betrayal. You are not meant to be focused on this cup, you are meant to be focused on this two of cups. You just have to turn your back, then only you will feel abundant, you will be happy in your life, in your career life, in your family life. You will able to move forward in your life in all the level, spiritual level, personal level, mentally, physically, financially. You will be independent, you will be feel confident and happy in your family. Okay, but you have to turn your back. Okay, there are some universe is giving you new opportunities, new beginnings in your life. Might be new proposals are coming into your way, new business offers are coming into your way, new ideas to start up with your new businesses, new career things are coming into your way, which will lead your life, your family will be happy. Okay, which will lead you, your life will be happy, your family life will be happy. The Ace of Wands, new beginning, new passion, new courageous things will be, you feel passionately to start new things, to fulfill your all the needs of your family and yourself. Okay, so it will be happen. Universe will give you the things, universe will give you the opportunity to rebirth all the things. Okay, there is a wand and the new leaves are rooting there up. Okay, so new beginnings will be there in your life, because the again the wheel of fortune is the major arcana, the devil is the major arcana. You have to be come out, you have to be come out of this energy, Capricorn. Okay, some of you having Capricorn in your chart strongly. Okay, and some of you you have to come out of this energy that someone has been controlling you, some bad habits, some bad thoughts, some bad people, they have so much influence on you, they are controlling you. You have to tide this, you have to close the, you have to break these chains and move forward in your life. It might be your for some of you it might be your love connection, which is some point of view it is a toxic, or right now some toxicity is there in that situation, or that person is holding you, controlling you, you are not able to find the things properly. So you have to take you have to take some hard work and go forward in your life. Okay, some of you can be able to free yourself effortlessly, because you will focus on your career things and you will focus on yourself. Okay, so you have to be come out of this stuck energy, hangman. Okay, people are betraying you, some questioning are there, some people are haters are there in your life or in your atmosphere, so you have to be take care of all these things. Okay, financially you will be feel independent, you will start new business, new career, and even for the love relationship, whatever the situation is not serving you, you can move forward, and then only you will find this two of cups. I told you, so you are stuck in this energy, the person is holding you and the person is like treating you like a puppet. Okay, so you have to move on from that and turn your back, you will find this two of cups. Okay, two of cups, it may be the soulmate connection, two of cups sometimes represent the self love also. Okay, so your good karma will take care all this situation, so you have to be positive for the situation and free yourself from these toxic situations. Okay, so we will pull some advice cards for the Cancer in the September 2020. What are the messages for the Cancer, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Cancer? Archangel Uriel, become a peace ambassador. You just have to be calm down. Okay, and move forward. Openings 22, number 4. So stability will come to your way. A new door is opening for you. I told you, you have to move on the situation which is not serving you, because there are openings for your bright future. You just have to turn your back. You will find your two of cups, you will find again your passion, again your newness in your life. Okay, you will enjoy your life. And the divine side, see the divine in everyone, and you just have to forgive them, let them heal, you heal from these things, see the divine in everyone, and let them go and move forward in your life. Okay, so I will pull some cards again. There are angels are helping you to giving you the guidance, even the universe is helping you, giving you the good karma, wheel of fortune. Okay, service 10, again 10. So service with an open heart is a key of satisfaction. You just have to do your work with the passion, with your open heart. Okay, you will find your peace. and that peace is you have to spread. Okay, then only you will be happy. As your energy vibrations high, then only you will attract the happy and abundant life in your energy field. Okay, so this was your reading for the Cancer, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Cancer. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please like and share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.